Are you sleeping restlessly, feeling irritable or moody? It's not just you, but 80% of the country feels this way, stressed. The unforgiving pace and complexity of modern life has greatly challenged our ability to completely unwind, relax, and re-energize. Introducing GoRelax. GoRelax is your 21st century relaxation mat that harnesses the power of acupressure by stimulating pressure points within your body. Use it for just 15 minutes a day to get relief from stress, muscle tension, back pain, and insomnia. For the past year, our team has been working with naturopathy doctors and physical therapists to understand the science behind acupressure. With this science in mind, we have designed a product that naturally improves health and can save you thousands of dollars. GoRelax mats are beautifully crafted using 192 lotus stimulators created with non-allergenic materials that are completely safe. It has been scientifically designed and contours perfectly to your body. The tension in your back yields to the pressure of the lotus stimulators. It triggers 4,800 pressure points, allowing muscle fibers to elongate and relax, blood to flow freely, and endorphins to be released. Studies have even shown that after regular use of acupressure mats for 2 weeks, 98% of patients experience pain relief and 96% felt more relaxed. Well, let's hear what some of our very own users thought.
This feels really good.
You feel it like on your neck, on your back.
Wow. I can see myself using this on a daily basis.
I actually get some kind of satisfaction out of laying on a mat and feeling like my muscles actually relax.
These words correspond to where you feel the relief in your body. That's wild.
It's like a really, really interesting sensation.
This revolutionary product is made using the highest quality materials, and it comes in 5 different colors. Use it anywhere you want. In the office, while sitting in your chair, while traveling, in the kitchen, post-exercise, or before sleep. Simply release the tension and get the relief that you're aching for. We have our manufacturers ready and waiting. All we need is your help to make this a reality. Support and share our campaign and join us as we help the world relax, unwind, and re-energize.
This is OmniFob, the first key fob for smart home and connected car. Control your everything with the simple click of a button. OmniFob is compatible with a wide range of devices for both iOS and Android users through two of the best smart home aggregators in the space, Samsung SmartThings and You Know Me. We also have a handful of direct connections to great products like Nextgarage, Chipolo, and our first partner in the connected car space, MobiKey. With the MobiKey Pro system installed in your car, you can lock and unlock the doors, pop the trunk, and start it remotely from your OmniFob. We're also working with Blue Remote, a new and innovative system for controlling the remote functions for any car, garage door, or home security alarm without the need for professional installation. Setting up your OmniFob is simple. After pairing it with the app on your phone, all the devices, scenes, and routines you have already set up from the compatible apps will be imported into the OmniFob app. Select the ones you want, and they will become available instantly on your OmniFob. There is a battery indicator on the screen and the app, so you know when it's time to plug it in. OmniFob is a shortcut remote to your most frequently used devices, but it can actually control over 100 different devices and scenes. We designed quick controls so you can trigger your favorites without looking at the screen. Simply double-click, long press, quad-click, or shake and click to trigger your favorites. OmniFob comes with the following features out of the box: a Bluetooth locator powered by Chipolo, a remote camera trigger, a panic button, a mini flashlight, and a removable anywhere pocket clip, so it's compatible with our modular keyport system. Not only can you attach it to your keychain or clip it to your pocket, you can also combine it with our other keyport modules or connect it to one of our key organizers to create your own personalized everyday carry solution.
Shine is reinventing the bathroom. Because even though the bathroom hasn't changed in a century, we have. So why do we spend time each week on the dirtiest job in the home, using brushes that just push germs around, while exposing our family and pets to harmful chemicals? And when anything goes wrong, even a simple fix warrants a call to an expensive plumber. What if the toilet could clean itself and tell you how to quickly fix it? Introducing the Shine Bathroom Assistant. Shine installs anywhere near your toilet in minutes. Just attach the Shine sensors to the water line and toilet bowl. Pour in some tap water, place an eco-friendly pod into Shine, and it will automatically clean and deodorize your toilet without chemicals. The secret to Shine's chemical-free cleaner is electrolyzed water. Developed in Japan to clean high-bacteria environments around sushi, Shine uses electricity to transform the tap water into electrolyzed water. This supercharged water is as powerful as bleach and 5 times more effective than traditional deodorizer sprays. Best of all, after it cleans your bowl, it turns back into a saline solution that's safe for plumbing and pets, leaving your bowl free of germs, sparkling clean, and smelling great, effortlessly. But when your toilet stops working, or takes forever to fill, the reasons can be unclear. That's why Shine uses an AI called Sam. Sam diagnoses your toilet problems in real time and notifies you with the issue, its cause, and how to fix it. Shine service even delivers free repair kits and video call support to fix the issue. Now you're back in business without a plumber. But to really make your toilet smart, Shine can detect the first sign of a leak or flood. Because household leaks in the US waste up to 1 trillion gallons of water annually. That's the equivalent of leaving your shower running for nearly 1 million years. Shine ensures that the bathroom is ready for you, so that you can be ready for the world. It's time to let your bathroom shine.
Hi, I'm Chris, founder of Shine Bathroom. We're reinventing the bathroom because even though it's where we prepare ourselves for the day ahead, the average bathroom isn't prepared for us. Shine uses automation to fix this by creating a bathroom experience that anticipates our needs, conforms to our wants, and delivers the care we deserve. The Shine team has built and delivered millions of electronic devices across the planet, and now we invite you to join us on our next journey. Together, we'll build the bathroom experience we deserve, one Shine product at a time. Thank you for your support. Alexa, ask Sam to clean the toilet.
Okay, I'm cleaning your toilet.
Introducing the world's first gaming loungewear line. Thoughtfully designed for gaming, streaming, and digital adventuring. Styled for the streets. Mesh audio panels for unobstructed sound. A large hood to fit any gaming headphones. Quilted forearms for comfortable gaming for your chair or at your desk. Buttersoft four-way stretch material is ultra comfortable for lounging. Kangaroo pocket to store anything you need in-game or on the go. Breathable mesh panels to keep you cool. Cinched cuff sleeve. Zipper pockets that keep all your loot secure. Fashion-forward design keeps you looking good on stream or in the streets. Street-inspired jogger with a gusset cut for slouchy, comfortable wearability. Help us make Project X a reality by supporting us on Kickstarter today. Do it. For the game. For the stream. For the grind.
Hey Kickstarter! My name is Alberto, and this is Dollop Pillow, the minimal and yet personalizable pillow.
What good is a pillow if you can't personalize it with your unique body type? Look around. All heads are unique and beautiful, just like our hands, noses, and eyes are. The problem is, there's just one kind of head shape being displayed in the popular media and medical books. So as in pillow designing, obviously one size doesn't fit all. Bad posture is not your fault. It just means that you're exhausted. You're probably in need of a good night of sleep to recharge. As I suffered neck pain and insomnia for years, instead of taking pills, I decided to make a pillow that fits me perfectly. In the process, I didn't just create a pillow for me, but a pillow that can be customized to every one of us. So here I am, introducing Dollop Pillow. Time to get your pillow personalized to your own unique body type for an amazing sleep. Dollop Pillow gently cradles the head, relieving pressure in your head, neck, and shoulders in the most natural way possible. It encourages you to move and adjust flawlessly without waking up, as nature intended. The world's first super plush marshmallow foam provides the comfort support throughout the night without being overheated. It's also engineered to maintain its shape and functions over many years to come. Its stretchy cooling cover is breathable, and it keeps your head cool and sweat-free. The inner cover is antibacterial and waterproof. This is how to personalize the Dollop Pillow. First, try Dollop Pillow as is. Maybe take a nap. You'll naturally feel relaxed as the Dollop Pillow takes the weight off of your shoulders. It is engineered to sink a bit more in the center where your head rests. It's a hammock for your head. Once you remove the covers, you'll find an opening with 2 head blocks. Find the best fit for your head shape. The cervical contour comfortably supports under your neck. Once you find the best fit, your airway opens up effortlessly, so you can breathe better and snore less. Just look at the beautiful neck alignment. And it doesn't matter if you sleep on the front and back or on the side. The Dollop Pillow will give you the perfect support you need every time. Dollop Pillow is equipped with memory foam booster to elevate the overall height by 1 inch. Essentially, such full range of adjustability opens up the possibilities to make daily micro adjustments to the pillow. It adapts and grows with you. Personalize the Dollop Pillow to your exact comfort needs. Little things make big things happen. Dollop Pillow.